How to change language on Rakuten Viki app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how we can change the language on Rakuten Viki app. So if you want to switch to a different language for the interface or the subtitles, let's just jump right into the video. So maybe you have been enjoying your favorite shows on the Rakuten Viki, but maybe you'd like to change the language to either make the app easier to navigate or the games get the subtitles in a different language. So it is super easy to do. Let me walk you through the process, the steps. First of all, open up the Rakuten Viki app on your phone or tablet. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can just grab it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you've opened up the app, let's just move on to the next step. Now that you're in the app, head over to the profile section at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're in your profile, look for the settings icon at the top right corner, which usually looks like a gear. Tap on it or to open up your settings. So in your settings, you just need to scroll down a bit and look for the language option here. Just go ahead and look out for that option called language, or you can go ahead and click on subtitles. So when you go to subtitles, you can find this more option section here. Just go ahead and tap on it and you can choose up your language here. So here are different options available. Variety of language, choose the one that works best for you. After that is done, if you want to change the subtitle language while watching a show, you'll need to adjust it separately. Just go ahead and click on the show that you want to watch. For example, this one right here. And once you're watching the video, you can tap on the CC icon, which is usually right here. When you tap on this comment section, you can find the subtitles option. You can just go ahead and select the one from right there, and that is it. Now select your preferred language for subtitles, and app will display them in the language while you watch it. And that is it. Now you've successfully changed the language on the Rakuten Viki app, both app for interface and subtitles. And that's all for today's tutorial on how to change the language on Rakuten Viki. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more app tips and tricks. And if you have any questions or need more help, drop them in the comments and I will be more than happy to assist.